Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Neem Max. First, always consult the product label for detailed instructions and safety information. When preparing your solution, begin by adding the concentrate to a small amount of water in your sprayer. Agitate this mixture thoroughly. For best results, ensure the water temperature is above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, add the rest of the water, continuing to agitate the solution as you fill. Once mixed, Neem Max can be applied in two primary ways, as a foliar spray or a soil drench. For general insect control, mix about 1 fluid ounce per gallon of water. If you're tackling a severe infestation or specific diseases, increase the concentration to about 2 fluid ounces per gallon. When spraying, ensure thorough coverage of all plant surfaces. If drenching the soil, apply enough to saturate the root zone without causing runoff. To maximize effectiveness and prevent plant damage, timing is crucial. Always apply Neem Max during the cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late evening. Avoid applications when temperatures are above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, as this can cause leaf burn. For ongoing insect control, reapply every 7 to 10 days. When treating diseases or using as a soil drench, a 10 to 14-day interval is generally recommended. Your safety is paramount when using any garden product. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection, during mixing and application. After you're finished, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. For storage, keep Neem Max in its original, tightly sealed container in a dry, cool location, away from direct sunlight. Ensure it is stored safely out of the reach of children and pets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.